To buy some.
Okay. So I brought these just in case.
Did you order yours online or did you?
I did it from discount. I don't love them. So like these are my extreme ones, which are like my babies, and then these ones are super short. So I don't know why they're so short.
Okay, so longer.
I would definitely try and find longer ones because I just don't feel like they have enough really to hang on to.
Okay.
So yeah. So then, like I was telling you guys, you can put your double-sided tape on one part of the jade stone, and then on the other side, you're just going to place a piece of cotton tape. And that is where your glue is going to go. So I'm going to lift your head just a teeny bit. I would go ahead and get all of their hair to the opposite side of where the glue is. Just so I have literally had clients like fluff their hair. I'm like, oh my gosh, there's glue all in your hair right now. And I was like, oh my god, and I'm like starting to sweat because I'm like trying not to tell them that they have glue in their hair. So I'm like, ah. It's so, yeah, so make sure all their hair is like to one side if you can. It just makes your life so much easier. So you're just going to go ahead and get a little droplet of glue. You do not need very much. You can always go back and get more. So just to maximize the glue portions, go ahead and just do a smaller amount. And then your second jade stone is typically going to be your jade stone that actually has your lashes on it. So I probably should have had these out. The other thing is, you know, I might even recommend ordering a few more, which I need to do as well, because a lot of times it's really easy just to have like 2 or 3 C curls on one, so you can actually just kind of grab them each time rather than actually placing them on there for every single client, is what I did. So we'll go ahead and do it, and it all depends, you know, on their lashes. So Gabby, what kind of lashes are you looking for? How do you normally wear your makeup?
I wear eyeliner, mascara. I want natural.
Natural? Okay. So she has really great lashes. Hers will probably just be like amazing, heavenly to do today because they're straight. They're not all clumped together. I mean, she's a great lash candidate. You know, we're probably just gonna want to add a little bit more of a curl for her. So we're gonna go ahead and use the thicker lashes just because her lashes are gonna be able to hold them just fine. We can still do it more natural because we're gonna be able to do that more natural shape for her. So I use a paper towel on their forehead. You can use whatever is more comfortable for you. It's just to make sure that your hands are not resting on the client's forehead, obviously. So I just go ahead and do that, and then I'm just gonna get a couple. Now, are you wanting me to do a full set? Yeah, okay.
I think that would be good.
Okay.
So you're gonna start in the middle?
So what we're actually gonna do, the best way to do it is to actually start on your outer corners. So I would get about 6-ish on your outer corners, 6 to 10 probably on your outer corners, and then I'd go ahead and get your inner corners done. Those are the 2 most difficult parts because the little ones in the inner corner are kind of hard to maneuver. They're at a different angle, so you can see they're a little bit finer. So you're gonna wanna do your outer corner ones first, then you're gonna move to your inner corner, and then it's the fun part. You literally kind of just fill in from those 2 areas, and you kind of just start going with whatever length you decided to do. So we can probably do, you know, I'd probably go a little more natural with her, so we'd probably just do a 12. A 12 is a really safe number, especially if the client does typically wear glasses. So it probably won't be a ton longer than what she has right now, but it definitely will give her some thickness, and again, she's going to be able to know how to wear mascara. She'll wake up and go, okay, hello, I'm very awake. My eyes are going to be open and bright. So what we're going to do is if we do 12s in the middle, we're going to want to do 11s on the outer corners, and then we're going to want to go 11, 10, possibly some 9s on the inner corner.
Okay.
So you definitely want to make sure that you do get enough in the inner corners. A lot of times I've seen lashes that just kind of stop, and you want to at least do a few on that inner corner to make sure that it's consistent all the way across. So I'm going to get some 10s out, get 11. These little lash things are so hard to get off, which is why it's really easy just to get them ready beforehand. 11. I tried to not drink coffee today and I'm still kind of shaky. It's like, don't drink coffee. I wasn't looking to put lashes on.